asked us to find what is the reciprocal of what 15 whole number 2 all over what 13. Step 1, we need to change this number from what mixed fraction to what improper fraction. And how do we do that? When we have 15 whole number 2 over what 3, what we are going to do, we are going to say what 3 times 15. We are going to have what 3 times 15, then plus this 2, which is the numerator at the top, then everything over this 3 that's here. Then do you know that what 3 times 15 is going to give us 45? Then we now plus up 45 with 2, which is this 2, everything over 3. Then we have what 45 plus 2 will give us what 47 over 3. But this 47 over 3 is not the reciprocal of what 15 number 2 all over 3. 47 over 3 is the same thing as what 15 whole number 2 over 3. How do we find a reciprocal of a number? It simply means you interchange the numerator with what the denominator. Since 47 over 3 is the same thing as what 15 over 3, we have not changed anything. All we need to do is we are going to interchange the numerator with the denominator, meaning the 3 will come up, then the 47 will come down. At this point, the reciprocal of what 15 whole number 2 all over 3 is equals to what 3 over 47. Based on this our explanation now, the correct answer is this. Remember, this is past question. We don't know whether they will repeat the same question. But what if they ask you what is the reciprocal of what 0.5? Do you know? So I'm going to solve more questions on reciprocal in my next video so that you can learn comprehensively about reciprocal. Now, do you know that we can rewrite this 0.5 as 5 over 10? Under this point, you put your 1. Since the number that is here is what 1 digit, you write 1 0. Now we now have 5 over 10. Now, for us to get the reciprocal of this number, all we need to know, we interchange the numerator with the denominator. We now have 10 all over what 5. Then 10 divided by 5 will give us 2. Or the reciprocal is what 2 over 1 or 10 over 5. They are asked to calculate what is the reciprocal of 0.3. First of all, we can write 0.3 to be equals to what? This is what decimal point. We need to change it to what? Fraction. You see this point, under you put 1. Since the number that is here is 1 digit, you write 0. Then you can write 0.3 as what? 3 all over what? 10. Now, we can now find the reciprocal of 3 over 10, since 3 over 10 is the same thing as 0.3. And what is the reciprocal of 3 over 10? Simply means we interchange the numerator with the denominator. And what did I mean? To rewrite this 10 as the numerator, then 3 as the what? The denominator. And this becomes the what? The reciprocal of what? 0.3, which is the same thing as 3 over 10, and the reciprocal of 3 over 10 is 10 over 3. The correct answer is D. Thank you. Bye. Let's solve this question on what ASVAB PICAT what mass knowledge practice question. The question says we should simplify what 7 minus 4 minus 2 minus 7. This sign that you are trying to see, anytime we encounter negative, we're going to take the absolute value of that number. What is 7 minus what? Or 7 minus 4 is going to give us 3. Alright, we have minus. Why 2 minus 7 is going to give us what? Minus what? 5. Now let's call the bin. Whenever you have these symbols, when there is negative in the what? In these symbols, you ignore the negative and write the number. So here now we're going to have 3 minus. Instead of saying minus times minus, we now do that. Because of this, we take the absolute value of 5 and that will give us 5. Not minus times minus. So we now have what? 3 minus 5 will give us what? Minus 2. If you mistakenly times minus, you are going to have plus, and 3 plus 5 will give you 8. And that 8 is the wrong answer. So the answer is this. What do? You ignore the minus and take the absolute value of what is inside the what?